Atta says, in Yazid bin Muawiyah times, when the inhabitants of Egypt came to Makkah Mukarramah and waged a war on them, and Allah's house got burnt, and it had become what had been destined for it. Hazrat ibn Zubair radiyallahu anhu kept in that very state until all the Muslims assembled in Hajj season. Hazrat ibn Zubair radiyallahu anhu had an intention to incite or foment the people against the Egyptian. When the people were about to return, Hazrat ibn Zubair radiyallahu anhu said, O people, give me advice regarding the Kaaba. Should I rebuild the Kaaba after demolishing it, or only renovate its damaged portion? Hazrat ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, I suggest to renovate only the vandalized part of the Kaaba, and let it be same as it was at the beginning of Islam, and let those rocks lie there on which the people embraced Islam and the Prophet ﷺ was commissioned. Hazrat ibn Zubair radiyallahu anhu said, if the house of any one of you goes up in smoke, he will not get relieved until he constructs it afresh. So why Allah's house should not be reconstructed? And I will resolve to construct it after doing istikhara thrice. When Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair radiyallahu anhu did istikhara thrice, he undertook to demolish it. The people got scared lest a calamity should befall the one who will be the first one to ascend on the Kaaba to tear it down, until a man climbed and he demolished one of its rock. When the people saw that no calamity befell him, they all together demolished it and leveled it. Hazrat ibn Zubair radiyallahu anhu said that he heard this hadith from Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, that the Prophet ﷺ said, if the people had not recently forsaken infidelity, and even I do not afford to construct it, the Kaaba, I would have included 5 cubits of hatim into the Kaaba, and made a door for people's entrance and another door for the people's exit. Hazrat ibn Zubair radiyallahu anhu said, today we have got funds as well as we do not fear the people. The reporter says that Hazrat ibn Zubair radiyallahu anhu included 5 cubits of hatim into the Kaaba, and even the foundations laid by Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam got exposed, and the people carefully observed it, and Hazrat ibn Zubair radiyallahu anhu started lifting the wall on that very foundation. In this way, the length of Allah's house became 18 cubits. When it was expanded, its length seemed shorter. Then 10 more cubits were added to its length, and he installed 2 doors in it, one for entrance and other for exit. When Hazrat ibn Zubair radiyallahu anhu was martyred, Hajjaj notified Abdul Malik bin Marwan of it and wrote, the construction of Allah's house by Hazrat ibn Zubair radiyallahu anhu is not in accordance with those foundations which the reliable people of Makkah Mukarramah have seen. In reply, Abdul Malik wrote to Hajjaj, we do not value the alteration made by Hazrat ibn Zubair radiyallahu anhu, exclude the increase in length by him, as well as the part of hatim which he has included in the Kaaba, and construct it as it was before, and shut the door which he has opened. Hajjaj whereupon demolished the Kaaba and reconstructed it as it was before. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3232.